when to use specially and when to use especially. What is the difference between these two words? I feel your frustration. This is an especially common mistake in English, so I specially made this video for those of you who want to learn the difference. So I invite you to stay until the end and learn the difference once and for all. Especially is an adverb that is used to indicate something done in a specific manner. He specially went to Starbucks to get her favorite coffee. I got this gift specially for you. He didn't want to be treated specially.
Can't you have that specially made? These are our specially designed glasses.
Now, especially is an adverb as well that has the meaning very or particularly. For example, there is nothing especially radical about that idea. Or the food was not especially good, meaning not very good, not particularly good. The kids have been working really hard, especially the boys.
Need strict rules, especially for small boys.
Oh, that dessert menu was especially disappointing.
When you want to convey the meaning for a special purpose or specifically, you can use either specially or especially. They will be both correct in this situation. For example, I especially or specially gave this assignment to you as it will help you with your promotion. The speech was written especially or specially for the occasion. I especially like the way she speaks. Now, I hope I made things clearer for you. Let's put this into practice. I have prepared a quick test where you will see a couple of sentences with blanks you should fill in. The correct option is either specially or especially. Let's go. I am grateful to all my friends and family who supported me. Especially. He has his shirts made for him by a tailor in London. Especially. Paula is really good at English, the grammar. Especially. Everyone was really angry, Alex. Especially. My sister is allergic to nuts, so her food is always prepared. Especially. So, how did you do? Is it now easier for you to make the difference between these two confusing words? I would love to know, so let me know in the comments. Finally, if you've made it this far and still haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up to support me. Until the next video, I wish you a beautiful day, stay zen, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!